Okay, so in this series, I'm just going to be showing you guys how to create a React app step by step. I'll do a few videos, each with a different theme. This first video, we're just going to start out with creating a React app. So the first thing you want to have downloaded is npm. You're going to want to run this line of code right here in your terminal, npm install -g npm. So that's basically just going to install the Node package manager onto your PC globally. So next thing you're going to want to do after you've got that installed, make sure you're in the directory that you want. In my case, it is this coding YouTube folder. We're going to run npx. All right. It might be a little confusing because usually with Node package manager, you type npm install and then whatever you want to install. In the create React app, we want to type npx and then create -react -app, and then we name it afterwards. I can just call this React tutorial and then press enter. Now this is going to create a React app. This should take a few minutes depending on how quickly it downloads, but yeah, just let that download. It should take a couple minutes, like I said, and I'll resume the video as soon as this finishes. All right, so if that downloaded successfully, it should say happy hacking here at the bottom, and it should have went through a bunch of downloads and whatnot. If you see anywhere where it says vulnerabilities and whatnot, you can just ignore those. As long as it says happy hacking here at the bottom, then you should be good to go. So now I'm gonna cd or change directories into that React app that I just made. So I'm gonna type cd and then React tutorial, which is what I named it. I'm gonna switch into that. I can see it says master right here, and we can see that I am now in the React app. And from here, I can just type code space and then a dot, and that'll open up the React app inside of Visual Studio Code. I'm not sure if there's any code shortcuts like this for other IDEs, but for Visual Studio Code, you just do that and you press enter, and it should go ahead and open up Visual Studio Code like so. And from here, you basically have your simple React app. You have your node modules folder right here, your public folder right here with your base HTML file. And here you have your source folder with your app.js. Now this is basically just going to be your base file for the most part, your parent component in React. But yeah, that's pretty much how you create a React app. It's fairly simple. You just make sure you have npm installed globally on your machine, and you can run npx create React app, and it should run through the install, and then you can open it up from there in whatever IDE that you're using.